Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 29th of September 2023. The Indian market erased some of the previous day's losses to close higher on September 29th, aided by a healthy uptick in metals and pharma names, but losses in information technology stocks capped the gains. At close, the Sensex was up 320.09 points, or 0.49% at 65,828.41, and the Nifty was up 114.80 points, or 0.59% at 19,638.30. Major gainers on the Nifty included Hindalco Industries, NTPC, and Hero MotoCorp, while losers were Adani Enterprises, LTI Mindtree, and HCL Technologies. Talking about the corporate segment, we have share price of Jet Airways zoomed 5% to 55.8 rupees, hitting the upper circuit on September 29th, as the Jalan Kalrok Consortium infused 100 rupees crore into the grounded carrier, completing its financial commitment of 350 rupees crore. With this infusion, the Jalan Kalrok Consortium has fulfilled its total financial commitment of 350 rupees crore equity, as per a court-approved resolution plan, and all commitments by JKC now stand fulfilled to take control of the iconic airline, said a release issued by the consortium. The consortium's strategy to revive the airline remains unaltered. The new promoters are determined to re-establish the operations of the airline up and running in 2024, JKC added. SHREYAS Shipping and Logistics crashed 17% on September 29th. After promoter Transworld Holdings Limited rejected the discovered price for the delisting process, and made an offer much below the market price. As against the discovered price of 890 rupees a share, THL proposed a counteroffer of 400 rupees. The promoter's offer is at a 16% discount to the September 28 closing price of 473.83 rupees. After announcing intention to delist SHREYAS Shipping, THL offered an indicative share price of 375 rupees apiece. The bidding period for reverse book building started on September 20th and ended September 26th. Shares of HBL Power Systems were up 5% higher on the 29th of September. Earlier this month, HBL management during an analyst meet said that it was on track to achieve its revenue and margin guidance for the year. Over the last 6 months, the stock has gained over 183.15%. According to analysts at Incred, HBL Power will benefit from defense sector indigenization, but will continue to prioritize investment in the railway business. HBL was recently awarded orders over 2,000 rupees crore for a train collision avoidance system, covering 3,000 kilometers. NLC India was up 5% higher on September 29th. After the state-owned company announced its plan to set up 3 by 800 megawatt coal-based power plants in Odisha. The company also said it executed a power purchase agreement with Gridco, an Odisha state power undertaking, for the purchase of 400 megawatt power that will be generated through the proposed thermal power plants in Jharsuguda and Sambalpur. The land acquisition process and evaluation of offers for shortlisting of construction contractor for the project is under progress, the company said. Shares of NAVIN FLUORINE dropped over 13% intraday on September 29th, as the chemical company saw its second high-profile exit in 2 months. On September 28th, Managing Director Radhesh R. Welling stepped down, citing personal reasons, with effect from December 15th. Trading volumes of 2 million shares at the time were over 18 times the 20-day average volume. While Sudhi Ardeo has been appointed as an additional director to strengthen the board, investors are wary about the slew of high-profile exits in the company. On August 18, Ravi Venkatraman had stepped down as the chief executive officer, following which Rajendra Sohu was promoted. NTPC shares jumped 3.5% on Friday, to hit a fresh 52-week high of 247.75 rupees on the NSE on September 29, after an 800 megawatts power plant went on stream. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will formally dedicate the Rs 6,000 crore unit at Ramagundam to the nation on October 1. The rise in the PSU stock follows a buy rating from ICICI Securities with a target price of 300 rupees. In the past 1 year, the share price of NTPC has jumped nearly 53%. The stock has rallied over 45% so far this year, and analysts see further upside going forward. NTPC has set out on an aggressive renewable capacity addition plan with a projection to add 16,000 megawatts over financial year 2024 to financial year 2026, which will scale up its green power portfolio and lead to re-rating of the stock, according to analysts at Asain Securities. Shares of homegrown FMCG major EMAMI rose by 5% on September 29, after the company announced its entry into the health juice category. This move was facilitated by EMAMI's acquisition of a 26% stake in Axiom Ayurveda Private Limited, the company behind the AIRWAYS brand of beverages. We are delighted to announce our partnership with Axiom Ayurveda through a strategic investment in equity. This marks our entry into the juice category with AIRWAYS. With health and wellness being the buzzword for consumers today, we see tremendous potential in the segment, Harsha V. Goodwill, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, EMAMI Limited, said in a statement. The company, however, has not disclosed the deal size. Iris Clothings Limited in daily time frame is trading around 89.40 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 1.732 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 77.35, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.94. Zodiac Clothing Company Limited in daily time frame is trading around 137 points with a change of 19.96% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.628 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 119.20, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.83. Swastik Pipe Limited in daily time frame is trading around 100.80 points with a change of 16.2%, and is trading with a net volume of around 145.2 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 90.50, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 62.27. For stocks to watch, we have Paytm looks good on current market price of 857.7. It can be bought at 859 rupees, keeping target of 882 rupees with stop loss of 836. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.